You never know who you'll meet at the Venice AACA Classic Car Show.
There you go.
My name is Isaac. I'm here with the Venice Warehouse. We are a volunteer organization, so we go around doing events like today, and we help where we can, just getting volunteer hours for us, but also being able to help out in the community wherever we need to. So today we've been guiding cars back and forth. Sometimes we work the food pantry. It's a great organization. Great helping.
Dave Hofferkamp from Port Charlotte, Florida. I've had it about 5 years. I bought it in Sudbury, Canada. It was a race car. I like it. Look for 10 years for one of these. They're fun to drive. It brings back good memories of my misspent youth.
Hey, welcome to the Venice AACA Car Show. Here we are, beautiful day, beautiful sunshine. I got to pick up Jake later, so we'll be catching up with you later.
Anytime you're ready.
Name's Joe Mazzio, Brooklyn, New York. Been living in Punta Gorda, Florida for the last several years. Greatly enjoyed this Venice Car Show. My only regret is that it's only once a year. They should put it on a little bit more frequently because there's a very large selection of quality cars, and the people here are fantastic. The weather's great.
My name is Ken Brown. We're sitting in a 1952 Flexible. This is built in 1952. It had an interesting history. Factory built it for Stanley Tools. When Stanley got it, they outfitted the inside like this. They put display cases and so on. They did not sell tools from the bus. But the car show is awesome, as long as I can remember. Since we're down here in the wintertime, this club has been great. The car show is, my favorite part about the car show is the variety here. It's not like, it's not like there's 500 different Mustangs or 350 Corvettes. They got A to Z, you name it, is here. Personally, that's my favorite part.
Well, my name's Don Horton. I live over in Northport, but I rejoined the Venice Car Club many years ago. I can't remember how many, but it was quite a few. I have, my car is over there. I don't usually bring it to the car shows. Well, I have a 51 Mercury up here. But I'm from New England, and I have more cars up there. But I enjoy the car show. I enjoy cars. I've been around them all my life. I enjoy working on them, and I enjoy the group, a nice bunch in this gang.
Good afternoon or good morning. My name is Dallas. I own AACA Transmissions here in Venice, Florida. We're out here at the 35th annual AACA Car Show. Great show. We come out every year. I love to support the community. We're out doing a bunch of fun stuff, giving away T-shirts. One of the best shows that's out here every year. I recommend that you come out and check it out whenever you can.
Been coming for quite a few years. Local event from a local around here, local business owner. We just decided to get together and build an old hot rod truck, naturally aspirated, just something to have fun with. Just an old rat rod, 1965. It's all patinaed, but every single thing inside now it's brand new. Took about 10 months to build. It's been in C10 Builder's Choice magazines, taking to shows with Ferraris and everything, and this one always attracts a crowd. It's just something different. That's what I wanted. Nothing you can go to the store and buy. Something you got to build you all on your own, which me and a couple buddies did. Originally Ohio, but been here 40 years. But good town to be in.
All right, and how long have you been coming to the show?
This one, probably about 6 years. It's a good show, good turnout. Each year it keeps getting bigger and bigger, but good time.
Okay, my name is John W. Mitchell Sr. and I am owner of a 1994 Jaguar XJS, 12-cylinder. It's one of 73 that were built. I've been here, this is probably my 5th time to come here. We live on Gasparilla Island, Boca Grande.
Nice.
And it's fun to come.
Great. I appreciate it. Yeah.
And what's your name?
John Schoen. This will be our first year because the car just turned 25.
And what you have here is a Gen 5 Corvette.
C5 Corvette, light pewter metallic. It's got 34,000 miles. We come to shows all around Florida just for the fun and camaraderie of the car show people. I like it because of the roominess. There's a lot more room in it. A lot of people that got rid of their C5 are sorry they got rid of it because the newer ones are so cramped. This you have a lot of leg room. The fuel mileage is good. I get 27 on I-75. Got pickups there. It's not a race car, but it's a fun car. They're originally from Hilton, New York, which is up by Rochester. We've been down in Florida now 21 years. And we've been coming to shows around Florida for 21 years.